Meaning of flatcar.
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 Flatcar. A flatcar is a type of railway freight car that has a flat, level surface and no sides or roof. It is designed to transport large or heavy loads that cannot be easily accommodated in other types of freight cars. The absence of sides and roof allows for easier loading and unloading of cargo, as well as flexibility in transporting oversized or irregularly shaped items. Flatcars are commonly used for transporting materials such as steel, lumber, vehicles, and construction equipment. They have played a crucial role in the development of modern transportation and logistics systems.